Today I show you how to remove vocals from music on Apple Music. You can use the Apple Music app to have only the instrumental part of the song without the voice if you want to do some kind of karaoke or anything like this, singing along. You can use the Apple Sing feature in Apple Music. In Apple Music you have the Apple Sing feature, and search for Sing on Apple Music, and then when I search for Sing, there is a category of music called Sing, and here there are songs that are especially good for singing along, and you can choose by genre or made for sing, for example, made to sing, and sing the hits. So you have this song here, and you have lots of options. You can see the credits, you can see the lyrics of the song, but you can also sing along like a karaoke style. And to do that is very easy. You have to be on the player. So I'm on the song playing now, and tap on this button here, and now you're in the sing option. You see the actual text, you see the lyrics of the song. You don't hear the song because I'm not playing the song loud. The volume is minimum. I set the volume to minimum on my iPhone, but you can have the lyrics here. And if you want to remove the sound, if you want to remove the vocals from the song, you tap on this microphone and then you can make it lower. And then it shows here, it shows sing. When it says sing here, you will hear only the instrumental part of the song, but you can actually combine these. You can mix them a little bit with your voice and the original voice. I will show you now this works with any playlist. I will play one of the songs from my library here, and as long as this button is on, you see that extra information. This is it's like a caption info lyrics button. Basically, that's the lyrics button, and there's nothing there, but you see it starts play. And now it's in full mode, so you see the information of the song, but it's playing now, and the lyrics they keep going, but you can reduce this, and then you have this kind of notification here that tells you you are using Sing. So now you hear only the instrumental part of the song, and you can sing along, and you can also mix it a little bit with the original voice, original audio track for the song. I hope this helps you remove the vocals from songs you want to sing along or to use as karaoke songs. Thanks for watching in Apple Music.